Good morning, everyone. We are Techno Asgardians teams, and the project that we have developed for the World Robotics Championship Innovation Contest is Diabetes Retinopathy Detection App. So basically, diabetes retinopathy is the largest cause of blindness in the world, and it happens when there is excess sugar. When a person is suffering from diabetes and he has excess sugar, so that results in diabetes retinopathy, which ultimately leads to blindness. So just like there are glucometers for diabetes, for detection of this glucose thing, which is available from home to home, we are developing this application in desktop as well as mobile mode so that people can detect diabetes retinopathy early, because this is one of the largest causes of blindness in the world. So basically it works using convolutional neural network. We have trained over 20,000 images on the software that we have developed, and this has an accuracy of 97%. We have even tested it in some hospitals and we got good results. So I'll just show the working of this application. Basically we just put the image over here and we click on test, and we get the which type of diabetes. So basically it can detect three types of diabetes retinopathy: exudate, in which the eyes is a little yellowish type; it can detect hemorrhage, in which the nerves burst and there's a lot of blood clotting in the eye; and one is the normal category. So this is how it basically detects. So the use of this is that just like we have glucometers, so people can use this application to detect diabetes retinopathy early and prevent blindness. So this will be of great help. So right now this is in desktop mode. We are launching the mobile version of it soon. Thank you.